Which standard industry practice can help differentiate you? Domino's Pizza is worth an estimated $8 billion. Here's one simple reason why, and a lesson you can learn from them for your business. Domino's has launched a campaign called Carryout Insurance. If anything happens to your pizza between picking it up and eating it, they'll replace it free. Why is this a brilliant marketing move? Because pizza places have always done this. Domino's is the first company actually letting everyone know about it, though. Regardless of where you buy your carryout pizza, can you imagine the company not replacing your pizza if you request it? No way. Think they want to argue with you over a pizza that costs them $2 to make? Because Domino's has a first mover advantage, they're now making the market. Every other pizza company is caught playing catch up. They'll start saying, we offer carryout insurance too, or worse, they'll say, doesn't everyone know that we'll replace their pizza if anything happens to it? No, they don't. Just because you and your competitors know industry standards, don't assume your customers do. If you're the first company to declare it, you win. Whether it's a product guarantee, service guarantee, price match, warranty, etc., which standard industry practice can help differentiate you?